right. That's right. That's a very pretty costume.
What are you, Michelle?
Makeup.
You have makeup?
Yeah.
Oh.
What are you, Michelle?
Yeah, it's stars on your cheeks, yeah. And what color's your nose? Yeah? It's kind of red, but close enough. You want to sit down there? Okay. And what's in the bag? What's in your bucket? Candy? What kind of candy? Blue. What else? You show
Show
Daddy?
Daddy.
In there?
Peace out and show Daddy.
Can you get in there?
Blue
Oh,
one.
yeah. That is a blue one. Very good.
We got the yellow one.
Do you have a yellow one too?
Oh, my hat.
Oh, your hat. That's better. Is it a yellow one? Oops. Is it in your pumpkin? Yeah. Oh. Gum. Bottle cap gum. Yes, you're right.
Gum.
Yeah.
Gum.
How many?
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3? Yeah. Very good.
Gum.
Michelle.
Yeah, that's gums.
Now what's in between your toes?
Blue one.
Yeah.
Blue.
Yeah, and you have a pumpkin?
Yeah. Put candy.
You put candy in there? Wow.
Mommy did it.
Mommy did that? Did you say thank you?
Thank you. Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome, Michelle.
Oh, my hat.
Oh, oh, yeah. That's better.
Blue.
Oh, what's that called?
Blue.
M&M?
And then
Michelle. M is for Michelle and M is for M&M.
oh, my hat.
Your hat keeps falling?
That's better.
That's better. Yeah.
So Michelle, do you like Halloween?
Yeah.
You want to do it again next year?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. That's better.
That's better.
Say bye-bye to the camera.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Now we talk a little more. We don't have to say bye-bye. Did you tell Daddy what you did? Did you walk to all the houses?
Huh?
Did you walk to all the houses?
Yeah.
And you knock on the door, and what did you say?
Trick or treat.
Trick or treat. And what did they do? They give you candy? Yeah.
Blue one.
Blue one? Do you like the blue ones?
Kid.
Yeah, lots of kids. What did they do? Did they knock on the door too? Yeah. And what kind of costumes did they have?
Blue one.
Yeah. Were they scary? Yeah. Did you see Lindsay? Yeah. Somebody's coming.
Trick or treat. Trick or treat.
There's an ugly looking group, isn't it?
There you go.
Oop.
Not that one, too.
One more for good luck.
Bye, guys.
They're getting older, aren't they?
Later on, it gets the older they get.
Go to the man's. Were they dressed funny? Yeah, they weren't dressed pretty like Michelle. Yeah, they didn't have makeup on either, did they? You have to look at that makeup. Tell Daddy what kind of makeup you have?
Blue one.
Blue stars? Yeah.
Costume.
A costume, yeah. What kind of costume is that?
Blue one.
A blue one? And what other colors?
Shall are you a clown?
No.
Yes.
But not Bozo.
Whoa, 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 don't get too close to Daddy.
Daddy's trying to get a shot of the pretty job Mommy did. Yeah, we'll clean up after all the kids come. Yeah, we'll clean up there. Say bye-bye.
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 Bye.